Good morning, guys. Today's going to be an awesome day. We are heading to Morelands MX for a pretty awesome track day. Morelands decided to open for the weekend. So, I mean, why not go, right? The weather's nice. It's supposed to be like 65 out, 70 today, in that range. So, I'm really excited. I haven't been there since I rebuilt my bike this summer. So, it's been a good 6 months since I've been to any track, really. So, we're going to start loading up bikes here real quick. I'm going with my neighbor, Andrew, and my best friend Luke, who is also going to be on the channel a ton that I haven't really talked about yet, because technically it's like our channel. So, yeah, you'll get your first glimpse of him today. There's a couple of other kids that are going to be there that I know, and then a whole bunch of random people. So, should be a great time. But we're going to load bikes up real quick, and then I will probably cut until I'm there. So in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, we just pulled up to the track. There's everybody right there. That guy's pretty good, but we're gonna have a good time. My bike's warming up right now. I'm gonna head out there in just a minute and see if we can race some people. So yeah. All right, guys, here comes Dawson. Andrew's coming up here. This is Andrew right there. Almost got that double. Oh, that's a nice quad. Look at that thing. That thing's like brand new. It's got to be bone stock.